Please, sarapaka.
A few moments later. The next day.
And what is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, it's gonna be an exciting one and also a very nerve-wracking one. Why? Because we are gonna dyno my car finally at Ahmad's garage. So what the standalone that I'm using is a Max ECU Mini, so like the basic of the basics. And today is the day where we're gonna have the final tune, and yeah, hopefully everything goes well. So I hope to share this journey with you. So I also go for a coil on plug. As you can see, very beautiful and very neat right now. There are still some things that we haven't figured out how to fix it, but because of time crunch, we just do it as it is. As long can dyno, we get the bass tune, then we are good to go.
Nice.